everyone, this is Joel over at launchpadlegalmarketing.com, and today we have a quick plugin video. We're going to be doing a plugin install as well as a review. The plugin is Stylish Links, and so we had a client recently get a hold of us and mention that some of the links on the website were not consistent in terms of formatting for text color, underline, size, things of these nature. So we had to track down a plugin. There were theme options that did allow for those particular items, but for whatever reason, the theme wasn't carrying those link styles to all the posts and all the particulars. So we could go page by page, post by post in the text editor, and we could bold, we could underline, we could even do a custom color. The problem is there's over 500 pages on this site, and so rather than go page by page, we wanted to track down a solution that we could just globally apply. So we did a search, and what we found was Stylish Links, and if you do a Google search, Stylish Links plugin, it should be the first WordPress.org result. And so the title is Stylish Links by Industrial Themes. So what we're going to do is you're going to do a download, and it will bring your plugin zip file to your desktop. So we're going to go over to our site, and just so that you can see, if we look at our blog and just look at our first article here, we will see that some of these links, the theme option will bring in a hover color. The bold we had to do manually, and in the body of this text there are more links. We can see the very last one here, where it's a call to action or a link to the contact page. And we can see it's not until you hover that you see the style. So people don't even really know it's there. And for SEO as well, we don't want to hide links. We don't want to have them just not easily found. We want to make sure that they are visible and for user usability as well. So what we're going to do is the Stylish Links plugin is already on our desktop. Let's go ahead and go to our dashboard so that we can add this plugin. This plugin does have a free version, which is the one that we just brought down, and a pro version, which gives us a little more options. Let's add new. Let's upload. We'll choose our zip file on the desktop. Open it, install. It is going to bring the plugin in, and then we will activate. The settings will be found via a new option on the left WordPress menu down here, Stylish Links. When we click there, it will take us automatically to colors. If you go to general, you're going to see that the links, we are applying this to our single posts and our single pages. If you wanted to do it to menus, comments, some of these other options, you're going to need the pro version. But again, for us, we just needed it to apply to our 470 plus articles. Colors. Okay, so by default, when it came in, it gave us a nice red. And based on the color of the site, I think that's going to be a good accent because we already have some red as our secondary or our accent color. So we're going to leave it underline. Yes, text will be that color as well. Background we're going to have as transparent just so that it uses the same page background as the theme. You can select hover and background hover, all of these things as well. Icons as we see in the Pro feature. So as it came in, I'm just going to go ahead and save those changes. And we're all set. So now if I look at that same article that we were looking at a bit ago, we're going to see that we now have our underline, we have our color, and then we can see that all links in the content are matching the format of what we set up here. So it's a quick and easy way to apply that styling across the board. 470 blog posts, probably about 20 or 30 pages. So instead of going one by one, 500 different pages, we've quickly, in less than 30 seconds, activated those across the board. So great plugin. We give it 5 stars. If you have any other questions, you can hop over to our website, launchpadlegalmarketing.com, or check out the actionable tips feed, which is going to be a ton of other useful how-tos free tools, plugin reviews, installations, all that kind of stuff that you can get the most out of WordPress in your website without spending any money. Thanks for watching.